guys, today I will introduce to you how to set up your ZG device in the software. We should install software first. As we could see here, it is a necessary step to run the service in these two folders which help us to install the software successfully. Here we just need to input I, then we can run it successfully. Next, we need to open up another folder. Then just click it will be okay. Now we could click the software, then we need to log in an administrator page to create accounts. Note that we also need to get the activation code from your sailor. Click the right button of the mouse on this picture, then it will prompt the activation code. Please copy this code and send it to your sales manager, then you will get a serial number. Paste the number after the activation code. After entering this page, we could set up the information as we wish, then remember to save it. Note the time zone should be same with user's region. Then we could log in with the account we just set up. Next, we need to download the driver. Note that this step is necessary. The driver will make sure your device could connect your server. Then we need to register the device into the software. Please attention that for each model, you only need to do this step once. Then we need to add device in device list under data maintenance. Now we can go to make basic settings. First LT, we need to add a company. Here the company means a region and it consists of many checkpoints. Absolutely, you could add many companies and subsidiaries, and all the information could be added as easily as you wish. For the next step we go to do the voice settings. The voice could help the guards to know what they should do during his patrol. You could type the words here and generate them to the voices one by one. Note that all the voices will be generated according to your PC system language. By the way, the limit length of each message for the voice is 200 bytes. Then we could move to add the guard. Note that when you make basic settings, the SIM card is not requested, otherwise your information collected will have problem. Click Add Guard, input guard ID and guard name, then save it. Similarly, all the information could be edited in the software. Here we could add our fingerprints. Click the finger icon, then collect fingerprints by ZG device. It is more accurate that we collect our fingerprints for at least 2 rounds. We also could name this fingerprint, and remember to download this fingerprint information into the device. Guard setting is done successfully. We could add checkpoints now. Note that you need to select the specific company to add checkpoints. Similarly, we could use the device to read checkpoints one by one or collect GPS positions outside. As you can see, these are GPS positions in red marked which showed longitude and latitude. The green one is the RFID checkpoint. Input necessary information and save them. Now you could add your voice file which just generated before. then it will prompt when you patrol. Now, remember to download these data into the device. Let us get into the next step, do the plan settings. Firstly, we choose the company and click Add the plan. Here we also could choose a subsidiary to make a specified plan for the checkpoints. Secondly, we select needed checkpoints and go to make the patrol schedules. Here we could add batch schedules or some individual schedules one by one. For the plans, we also could edit or delete them. You also could add some rest time or some special holidays according to your situation. Now the patrol plan setup is done, we could see the patrol schedules clearly and easily, and this is another one plan we just set up. Now we begin to make the contact settings. Similarly, the contact information need be downloaded into the device. We could add 5 contacts in total. Click the right button here to download this contact. We also need to make the communication parameter settings. Please kindly contact your local operator to check the APN information. Here the IP address should be the fixed public one. And the IP address is the server address where the software is installed. About user and password, it is optional to fill in. After clearing the data in the device and timing the device, all the settings are done, we could start the patrol. Let's move into the real-time monitoring page, and see how real-time data be shown here. After you choose the plan, there are 300 GPS position checkpoints shown on the map. Here you could see one of the checkpoints turns green, and you also could see specific information under the real-time data list. All the checkpoints turn green and showed under the list. Now let us see the track playback. In track playback, we can check the route and we also can choose the playback speed, but remember to choose the device code and the date. Note that the time we choose cannot exceed 24 hours. We could check the patrol report on the software, choose the data inquiry condition and click data inquiry. Here is the patrol report. We could see the patrol status clearly, the omission parts are highlight marked. We also could get the patrol data statistics. We could have a better view and statistics on the patrol status. We also could choose the chart type that we like. We could report Excel or PDF both in statistics and patrol report. Now the introduction is done. Thank you for your watching and hope our products could help your patrol management.